Mouth words.
Let's play a game. Say backpack. Now say backpack without saying back. You're right. Pack. Let's try another one. Say sunflower. Now say sunflower without saying flower. Excellent. Sun. Say starfish. Now say starfish without saying fish. Good job. Star. Say hot dog. Now say hot dog without saying hot. Wonderful. Dog. Last one. Say cupcake. Now say cupcake without saying cup. Exactly. Cake. Great job.